I want them long. I want them extra.
Extra.
Real Haitian baby, hope you know what all them zoes about. We gon' keep it active, we gon' do a lot of running miles. Real cute bitch, nasty ass attitude. You ain't getting money, why the fuck you think I'm starting?
Wait, the sun. Let's see if I go this way and then film. Ah! Anyways, you can see the skin. Ah! Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And if new, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. It's your girl Sherry, and I'm back with another video. It is preparation time for vacation. I'm going on vacation on the 4th, April 4th. So I need to get ready. My hair needs to get braided. I am at the salon right now and they open at 9, but I have to scarf down food. I was pretty late this morning, rushing around, trying to grab things, trying to grab food, because I will be here till 6 p.m. and it's 9 a.m. on a Monday. And I got my nail appointment on Friday. So I got a busy week. I'm gonna take y'all with me. This is my food. This is what I'm about to eat right now. Scarf it down. And then I'll take you guys inside once I got my hair in like looky braids. I'll take you guys, it's growing though. I'll take you guys inside when I get my hair braided. Knotless braids. It's gonna be real cute. Waist length. All right, so I'll see you when I get inside.
The next day.
Y'all, I feel good morning. My bestie's on the phone. I need her support to calm me down. I need her to write things down for me because I feel like I have so many tabs open in my head. But now, filming in the car, I feel like Derek Jackson. But don't worry, I'm not going to give you some motivational quotes and guru things. Anyways, today is... What's today? Today is Thursday. And I got a nail appointment. Gonna get my nails done. So I'm gonna bring you inside. It's 10:28. I'm on time. But yeah, so I like my hair. Everything's going smooth. A little bump in the road this morning because I thought I lost my wallet. Found it finally. Thought I lost the pesos. Oh, I didn't mention where I was going, but I said pesos, so boom. You will figure out where I'm going. Anyways, yeah, so I will bring you guys inside. Good thing I ate today because I'm starting off on a wobbly foot, but we stabilizing ourselves. All right, I'll bring you inside. My nails. Look. Ah. Look at this. Hold on. Let me show y'all. Pink, purple. Got the gems going right there. Just make the butterflies pop. I just love it. So pretty. So I went to my sister's, chill a bit, see my niece, and then now I'm here and it's 4:28, so I am on time. Hi.
Every time I see you, we get and I don't recognize you.
Right? I've becoming a whole different person.
Okay, I see the eyes. I recognize the eyes.
Yes. Good.
I feel like you're here a lot.
Huh?
Thank you.
What
I feel
happened?
like you're here a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah,
I'm on
I really
YouTube.
feel like-
It's okay. It's okay. Who am I calling? Whoops. Accident. No, it's fine. I wouldn't put you on if you didn't want to. I would have cut it out. But yeah, guys. I'm just getting a couple of this cut off. And then, yeah.
Here we go.
Yes, here we go. Yes, vlogging again and again and again. Woo! I'm ready. I'm hyped. Look at my nails. My nails.
Is that where you were today?
Yeah. Hey, girl.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hey.
Hi, this is Imani. Well,
Beyonce.
Yeah.
They look really cute.
But finally, you seen the hair. I
Hair
need to
was toe up from the floor.
but look at my nails. Nails done. I'm gonna show you the lady that does my nail, but
Oh my god.
yes, I said I want them long. I want them extra.
Extra. Nothing.
But first day I did my hair, it was horrible. I didn't like it, and that was like 6 hours. Then the next day I had to come back, and I told them to take it all out, and they did it again like this, and it was 6 hours again.
Oh my god.
Yes. And
This is
chunk
your
of
own
curls.
hair though, right?
No, girl.
Are you gonna
That
put
was very white.
Yeah.
You saw her hair before.
Of course. Clothes everywhere. Ooh. Excuse me. So, hey y'all. This room. Any girls out there who gets ready for a trip or gets ready for any event and clothes just be everywhere? Yeah. Hi, Lily. I'm going to have to get my stuff together because look at it. Listen, this products I've been using. If you haven't watched my Sephora haul, you gotta watch it because I bought some new skincare and I'm just loving how this is making my skin healthy. That's it. That's all we doing this summer is just healthy glow. Gotta drink my water. I haven't been drinking water, so maybe, yeah, the dark circles and not sleeping, that's about it. And it's Saturday. Lily. What? Hi, you wanna see my baby? I know y'all seen it, but maybe most of you who haven't watched my other vlog. Oh, my baby. Who's a baby? Oh, it's a baby. So, this is Lily. I know y'all seen her before. Not all of y'all, but I love her. I had her since she was 2 weeks. 2 weeks old. So cute. So cute. I got my outfits in a container because I always get my outfits ready, but it's like what happened? Aw, her whiskers. She's like, I missed you, mama. I missed you, mama. I missed you. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna be taking with me. Anyone else have cats? Cause this baby girl, she is so cute. Look at my baby. She loves her cheeks being scratched, and her and her mama got her nails done, so she loves that. I might wear this to get on the to get on the plane. It might be a possibility because we'll be going straight to a bar once we land. We with it. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna wear this, you know, out there. Who knows? I do got a couple of bikinis, but I'm going to be doing a bikini haul, so you're gonna have to look out for that. It's Shein, very cute bikinis. So that and this top goes together. My bikini. Oh, your girl forgot to wash this one, but I'm about to wash it. Actually, no, I have to wash it by hands because I don't want the rhinestones to come out. So do a little wash. But this is the bikini for the yacht. Yes, your girl's going on a yacht. And it's about to be lit. So this is the bikini. Oh my gosh. Look at me. It's tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap in. Like, comment, subscribe. Do all of that. It's all free. Show love. I love y'all. Whoever y'all are. To the new people that's coming on to my channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Stay, stay, stay. Okay? Because we're going to slay, slay, slay. Yes. Stay with me. Slay with me. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe not tomorrow. But this is it. That's it. I'm signing out. Period. Bye. I'm going to see you when I'm on my flight over there. Okay? Good. Mira. Mira, mira, mira. Stay. Stay. Okay? You know you wanna see. You wanna see Miranda. ¿Qué te pasa? Ah! Okay. Bye.
Real Haitian baby, hope you know